Hey guys, Cannon here with Top Things to Do DC and free tours by foot, and behind me is the World War II Memorial. Now I'm here to make sure that you know how to get to this memorial and what you are looking at when you do. The World War II Memorial in Washington, D.C. is on the National Mall, between the Washington Monument and the Lincoln Memorial. The location was actually a point of argument and part of the symbolism of the memorial. If you enter from 17th Street, you'll see a plaque that says, "Here in the presence of Washington and Lincoln, one the 18th century father, and the other the 19th century preserver of our nation." It's easy to get to if you're already visiting the National Mall, but it's also a really good place to start a visit to the memorials. The two closest metro stations, Smithsonian on the blue, orange, and silver lines, and Farragut North on the red line, are both a 15 to 20 minute walk. The memorial is also a stop on many of the hop-on, hop-off bus lines. We think the best way to visit the World War II Memorial is to join us on a walking tour of the National Mall. We see this memorial on our daytime mall tours and our Memorials and Moonlight tour. It's a frequently asked question. Is the World War II Memorial better during the day or night? Our answer? Both. You can get more of the history and symbolism during the day, but it is beautiful at night. You'll find restrooms and ranger stations to the south of the memorial, behind the Pacific Arch. These close at night, but the memorial itself is open 24/7. People often want to know, where are the names at this memorial? It's actually the Vietnam Wall that has the name of service members. Those who gave the ultimate sacrifice in World War II are honored at the Freedom Wall of gold stars inside the memorial. But if you'd like to see more about World War II veterans, go to the ranger station and find the computers. The online World War II Memorial Registry lists Americans who contributed to the war effort, both an official list documented by a government and an unofficial registry of anyone who helped win the war. In addition to walking in from 17th Street, you can enter the memorial on either side through the Atlantic and Pacific archways. As you do, look up to find the laurel wreath and look down to see the Victory Medal, awarded to all those who served in World War II. On each column, you'll also see oak and wheat wreaths. There are 56 columns, one for each state, territory, or district during the war. If you're interested in finding the state you're from, you'll have to know what order it entered the Union, as that is how the columns are organized. Or comment below with your state and we'll let you know where to find it. So my favorite part of this memorial is actually just hidden around the back. It's gonna look like a little piece of graffiti. It's just a little cartoon character with a long nose and two hands looking over a wall. So Kilroy here, part of the World War II Memorial. Now if you want to know the true story behind J.J. Kilroy, you can find our guide to the World War II Memorial and our tour calendar to take any of our National Mall walking tours on our website, linked in the description below. We also have videos and guides to other nearby memorials, like the Vietnam, Korean, and Lincoln memorials. Find out more about visiting Washington, D.C., but also New Orleans, Nashville, London, Rome, and more by subscribing to our channel here and finding us on social media at Free Tours by Foot. Make sure to like this video and visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com.